Hello everyone, this is me Gul and welcome to my YouTube channel English with Gul. Today our topic is how to make your brain to think in English. Yes, it can be possible if we follow some major steps. Actually, thinking in English is a more powerful way to become more fluent and natural in the language. So here are some practical steps to train your brain to think in English. The first one is learn with simple words and phrases. Yes, begin by labeling objects around you in English. For example, when you see a chair, think chair instead of translating them in your native language. And use simple words or sentences in everyday tasks. For example, I need to cook dinner and where are my keys? These are the simple sentences that could help to think your brain in English. The second step is describe your day in English. Yes, narrate your actions mentally throughout a day in English. For example, when you are going to make a coffee by yourself, so think in English that you have to boiling some water and after that you add some sugar and after that a coffee powder will be added in the this coffee. So all the actions that you are done will be in English. I mean, you should be think in English. The third step is ask questions yourself in English. Yes, practice self talk by asking questions like what should I do next and answer them in English. This builds the habits of thinking in English directly. The fourth one is learn vocabulary context. Avoid memorizing isolated words, instead, use them in sentences and real contexts. For example, isolated words don't help in your thinking process of learning English. So try to try to say words by combining in the sentences. This will helps a lot to improve your English. The fifth one is set an English only time. Yes, dedicate 15 to 30 minutes daily to think in English. Mm, It doesn't matter while walking, cooking, and you are running. What should the actions you are done? Try to think in English daily for 20 to 15 minutes. This will helps a lot to improve your English language journey. The sixth one is visualize scenarios in English. Yes, visualize scenarios in English plays a significant role to train your brain in English. For example, imagine a conversation or situation in English. For example, you are at a restaurant and you want to order something or introduce yourself in English. So all this scenario you should think in English. This will helps a lot to train your brain in English. The next one is practice with inner monologues. Yes, you heard it correctly. This plays a significant role in your English language and to train your brain in English. For example, create mental dialogues about yourself that what do you see, feel, or plan to do for for next. For example, it's sunny today or may I will go for a walk. The next one is limit translations. Challenge yourself to respond or understand in English without translating. For example, if you don't get a word, uh, so try it try it to understand in simpler English without switching languages. The next one is immerse yourself in English. Yes, immerse yourself in English content or English. Learn a simple podcast and listen. Learn and listen simple podcast and mm, watching TVs, movies, or YouTube contents in English. And try to understand and try to listen native speakers and imitate their speed and pronunciation. That how people speaks in real situations. This will helps a lot to train your brain in English. The next one is, and the last one is, using mind mapping in English. This plays a significant role to train your brain in English. Draw a mind, draw a mind mapping method in in your mind, and this will helps a lot to for you for new topics, and it will connect you to new words without relying on your native language. This will helps a lot, and it plays a tremendous role in your English language journey. By consistently applying these techniques, you will definitely train your brain in English naturally and more confidently. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit the bell icon, and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.